Now consider exercise 7.3, fourth one. Integral sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. Integral sine cube 2x plus 1 dx. See, to find the integral sine cube x, to find integral sine cube x dx, integral cos cube x dx, we have to apply the identity. Sine cube x, 3 sin x minus sin 3x by 4. Like that for cos cube x also there is one identity. We can use and we can integrate. Now to integrate these two questions we can use one more method. See, that method is given in the textbook. You can follow that method also. Any one method you can do. So understand that method also. So now we are going to do in the other method, same method. So here we know sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by 4. So we know the identity sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by 4. So see here, I told you this is identity. For any x we can use this identity. So here we want sin cube 2x plus 1. So sin cube x 3 sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by 4. So what is sin cube? Sin cube 2x plus 1. So only thing you have to do is replace x by 2x plus 1. Only that you have to do. Replace x by 2x plus 1. So in the place of x, write 2x plus 1. So what we get? What is sin cube 2x plus 1? 3 sin x, that is 2x plus 1, minus sin 3x. So 3 into 2x plus 1. What is 3 into 2x plus 1? That is 6x plus 3. So 3 into, in the place of x, write 2x plus 1. So 3 into bracket 2x plus 1. That is 6x. 3 into 2x plus 3 into 1. So 6x plus 3. Whole divided by 4. So that is what sin cube 2x plus 1. Similarly, you can substitute sin cube 2x, sin cube 3x, sin cube 4x. Any value you can find using this identity. In the place of x, you have to substitute that. Only that you have to do. So like this, we are going to substitute this value in this question. So this integral is equal to integral. Instead of sin cube 2x plus 1, we are going to substitute 3 sin 2x plus 1. 3 sin 2x plus 1. 3 sin 2x plus 1 minus sin 6x plus 3. Sin 6x plus 3 whole divided by 4. Then write dx. So 3 sin 2x plus 1 minus sin 6x plus 3 whole divided by 4. Now we can integrate because these are all multiple angles. So here by 4 we can take common. So 1 by 4 into integral 3 sin 2x plus 1 minus sin 6x plus 3 bracket 2 terms are there dx. So now we can find the integral term by term. So 1 by 4 into, find the integral bracket. 1 by 4 is common for all the terms. 1 by 4 into 3 into, what is integral of sin 2x plus 1? See, integral of sin x, what is integral of sin x? Minus cos x. So integral of sin in the place of x, here it is 2x plus 1. So what we have to do? You have to write integral of sin 2x plus 1 is minus cos 2x plus 1 whole divided by derivative of 2x plus 1, that is 2. So you have to divide by 2 because in the place of x, 2x plus 1, it is 2x plus 1. So 3 into integral of sin x minus cos x. So minus cos 2x plus 1 whole divided by 2. So minus cos 2x plus 1 whole divided by 2 minus. Now what is integral of sin 6x plus 3? Integral of sin x minus cos x. So minus cos 6x plus 3 divided by derivative of 6x plus 3. What's the derivative of 6x plus 3? Derivative of 6x, 6 plus derivative of 3, 0. So only 6. Bracket. Plus c. So 1 by 4 into 3 into integral of sin 2x plus 1 minus cos 2x plus 1 by 2. Then this minus into integral of sin 6x plus 3 minus cos 6x plus 3 divided by 6 plus c. So now open the bracket. 3 by 4 into 3 into 1 by 4 into 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 8. Minus 3 by 8. Then cos 2x plus 1. Then 1 by 4. This minus into minus plus. 1 by 4 into 1 by 6. That is plus cos 6x plus 3 divided by 4 into 6. 24 plus C. So that is the answer. So minus 3 by 8 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 6x plus 3 by 24. That's the answer. Now fifth one, integral sin cube x cos cube x dx. Integral sin cube x cos cube x dx. See here, if you here sin cube x we know formula, cos cube x we know formula. But if we multiply together, it is very difficult to integrate. So we can do one thing here. What we can do here? We know we can use this formula. What is 2 sin x cos x? What is 2 sin x cos x? That is sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. Can we use this formula here? This is sin cube x cos cube x. That is same as sin x cos x whole cube. So here, if you take the cube of this, what we get? 2 sin x cos x whole cube. That is 8 sin cube x cos cube x is equal to sin cube 2x. So sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. So what is sin 2x whole cube? That is what sin cube x, sin cube 2x. So when we cube, take cube both sides. Sin cube 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x whole cube. That is 8 sin cube x cos cube x. But here there is only sin cube x cos cube x because we know how to integrate sin cube to x. So here 8 is not here. So we can do one thing now, 1 by 8 into, we can write 8 extra here. 1 by 8 into integral 8 sin cube x cos cube x dx. So we write 1 by 8 and 8. So it will be cancelled and there is no change in the value. So we write 1 by 8 into. So we are going to use this formula. What is 8 sin cube x cos cube x? That is sin cube 2x. Sin 2x whole cube. So we are going to substitute this value here. In the place of 8 sin cube x cos cube x, we are going to write sin cube 2x. So this is what? Sin cube 2x. So sin cube 2x dx. Now how to find the integral of? That is equal to 1 by 8 into. What is integral of? How we find the integral of sin cube x? We can use the same method. What is sin cube x? Sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by 4. So sin cube x equal to 3 sin x minus sin 3x whole divided by 4. So what is sin cube 2x? So in the place of x, in this formula, in the place of x, you have to write 2x. Only that's the difference. So write what is sin cube 2x? Sin cube 2x equal to 3 sin 2x minus sin 3 into, in the place of x we have to write 2x. So 3 into 2x is 6x. Sin 6x whole divided by 4. So we can use this formula here. So sin cube 2x is 3 sin 2x minus sin 6x whole divided by 4 dx. Now we can find the integral. So we are using the same formula, sin cube x. So using that formula we can find sin cube 2x. So find sin cube 2x and substitute here. Then easy to integrate. Now 1 by 4 take common, then integrate. So 1 by 4 into 8, 1 by 32 into integral. Now we are going to write the integral. Write the integral. So 3 sin 2x. What is the integral of 3 sin 2x? 3 into, what is the integral of sin 2x? Minus cos 2x by 2. Then minus, what is the integral of sin 6x? The integral of sin x minus cos x. So integral of sin 6x minus cos 6x by 6. So integration is over. Plus c. See here 1 by 8 into, see 1 by 4 we have taken outside. So 1 by 32. Now only we have to integrate 3 sin 2x minus sin 6x. What is the integral of 3 sin 2x? 3 into integral of sin 2x, that is minus cos 2x by 2. Then this minus. Then integral of sin 6x, that is minus cos 6x by 6 plus c. Now only you have to open the bracket and write the answer. Okay, thank you.